Hey, everyone. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Sentry Safe reset lock code. Getting started. Installation of the batteries. To replace the battery, turn the keypad housing counterclockwise and remove it from the mounting plate. Install 4 new AAA alkaline batteries. Carefully position the keypad back onto the mounting plate and turn it clockwise. Enter the code, master or manager code, hash and turn the handle clockwise before the green light disappears. Programming your lock codes. Changing the master code. Changing the manager code. Activate user codes. Changing the user code. Deleting user codes. Dual user mode. Any code plus any code to unlock. Opening your safe in dual user mode. Returning to single user mode. Time delay mode. Activate time delay. Deactivate time delay. Instructions. Remove the safe floor carpet. Remove the cap plugs from the 4 holes at the bottom of the safe. Mark the location of the 4 bolt-down holes from inside the safe. Move the safe aside to the marked spots for drilling. Drill 4 half-inch masonry holes in the floor. Replace the safe in the desired location and pass each masonry anchor through the safe floor into the drilled holes. Tighten each masonry anchor with an adjustable wrench. Finally, replace the safe floor carpet. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.